Hi everyone! Today's weekend Shojin ryori is vegan Mapo Tofu. You can make it delicious with just the taste of shiitake mushrooms and miso without using commercially available soup base. Since it is a Shojin ryori, I do not use pungent vegetables such as garlic and green onions. Therefore, it's a dish that can be served universally for all generations. This recipe uses my handmade Dashi Miso and Shio Koji. I'll put the link in the description below. Let's make it together. Ingredients. First of all, take the instant shiitake soup stock in preparation. Wash the shiitake mushrooms lightly. Put these in a pot and pour boiling water. The shiitake mushrooms will soften after about 1 hour with the lid on. The instant shiitake soup stock is completed. Cut these into small pieces. Also cut the king trumpet. First, cut the tofu into squares and put it in boiling water once. This will remove the tofu odor and the tofu becomes warm. Second, make Mapo Tofu sauce. Melt miso and sugar in shiitake soup stock. Fry sesame oil, ginger, and doubanjiang in a fry pan. Third, add small pieces of king trumpet and shiitake mushrooms and fry well. Add shiitake mushroom stock, sugar, miso, and shio koji and mix well. Once mixed, add tofu and mix gently. Fourth, turn off the heat, add water, soluble potato starch, and heat again. Fifth, wait to become thick. It's done. When I bring it to the camp, I make Mapo Tofu sauce in advance. It is very convenient because it can be done by simply stir-frying it with tofu locally. This sauce goes well with eggplant, bamboo shoots, Chinese cabbage, and cabbage. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and Shojin ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。